Sea Animals TV. Hey kids, join me to explore 100 sea animals. You won't believe the fun facts we'll learn. Let's go. Octopus.
Octopus.
Did you know an octopus can squeeze through a hole as small as a coin because it has no bones at all? A whale.
Whale.
Whales are so huge that their hearts can be as heavy as a small car, and it beats super slow underwater. Shark.
Shark.
Sharks have special sensors that let them feel the tiny electricity made by other animals moving in the water. Dolphin.
Dolphin.
Dolphins talk to each other with clicks and whistles, and each one even has its own special name sound. Jellyfish.
Jellyfish.
A jellyfish has no brain, no heart, and no bones, but it can still glow in the dark ocean like a nightlight. Sea turtle.
Sea turtle.
Sea turtles always return to the very same beach where they were born to lay their own eggs. Seahorse.
Seahorse.
The daddy seahorse is the one that carries the babies in his pouch until they're ready to be born. Lobster.
Lobster.
A lobster can grow back a claw or even an antenna if it loses one in a fight or accident. Starfish.
Starfish.
A starfish can regrow a whole new arm, and sometimes even a whole new starfish from just one piece. Clownfish.
Clownfish.
Clownfish can change from being a boy to a girl if the leader of their group is gone. Whale shark.
Whale shark.
The whale shark is the biggest fish in the ocean, but it only eats tiny plankton and is super gentle. Orca.
Orca.
Orcas work together like a team to hunt, and they can even make waves to knock seals off the ice. Walrus.
Walrus.
A walrus uses its super long tusks to pull itself out of the water and to break holes in the ice. Crab.
Crab.
A crab walks sideways super fast, and it can still run even if it loses a leg because it grows back. Squid.
Squid.
Squids can shoot out a cloud of ink to hide, and some can even glow in the dark, deep ocean. Beluga whale.
Beluga whale.
Beluga whales are called sea canaries because they sing and whistle really loudly underwater. Pufferfish.
Pufferfish.
A pufferfish blows up like a balloon when it's scared, and some even have spikes that pop out. Seal.
Seal.
Seals can hold their breath for over 20 minutes, and they can even sleep while floating in the water. Manatee.
Manatee.
Manatees are gentle giants that eat plants all day, and sometimes people call them sea cows. Sea urchin.
Sea urchin.
Sea urchins have sharp spines for protection, but some can even move slowly using tiny tube feet hidden underneath. Stingray.
Stingray.
A stingray flaps its wide fins like wings, and it hides under the sand so well it looks almost invisible. Dugong.
Dugong.
Dugongs munch on seagrass all day long, and they're gentle eating leaves, little trails on the ocean floor. Hammerhead shark.
Hammerhead shark.
Hammerhead sharks have super wide heads that help them see in all directions and find food better than other sharks. Sailfish.
Sailfish.
Sailfish are the fastest fish in the ocean, and their big sail-like fin helps them zoom through the water. Sea otter.
Sea otter.
Sea otters use rocks as tools to crack open shells, and they even hold hands when they sleep so they don't drift apart. Murray eel.
Murray eel.
Murray eels hide in coral caves with just their sharp teeth showing, and they open and close their mouths to help breathe. Sea lion.
Sea lion.
Sea lions can clap, bark, and balance bowls, and they love to rest together in big, noisy groups on the beach. Shrimp.
Shrimp.
Shrimp have see-through bodies, and some can even make a sound so loud it stuns fish nearby. Manta ray.
Manta ray.
Manta rays are gentle giants with giant wings, and they do flips in the water that look like underwater dancing. Tuna.
Tuna.
Tuna are super strong swimmers that never stop moving, and they can race as fast as a car on the highway. Angelfish.
Angelfish.
Angelfish are brightly colored like rainbows, and some even form pairs that stay together for life. Yellow tang.
Yellow tang.
Yellow tangs are bright and shiny like lemons, and they nibble on algae to help keep coral reefs clean. Lionfish.
Lionfish.
Lionfish have long, spiky fins that look beautiful, but those spines can sting to keep predators away. Surgeonfish.
Surgeonfish.
Surgeonfish have a hidden sharp spine near their tails, like a tiny scalpel, to protect themselves in danger. Hermit crab.
Hermit crab.
Hermit crabs borrow shells for homes, and when they grow too big, they find a brand new shell to move into. Flying fish.
Flying fish.
Flying fish leap out of the water and spread their fins like wings, gliding across the sea for hundreds of feet. Parrotfish.
Parrotfish.
Parrotfish bite coral with beak-shaped teeth, and they even make sand by chewing and crushing rocks. Grouper.
Grouper.
Groupers can grow super huge and swallow prey in one big gulp by opening their massive mouths. Blue tang.
Blue tang.
Blue tangs are bright blue with yellow tails, and when they feel scared, they can hide in coral crevices. Sea cucumber.
Sea cucumber.
Sea cucumbers look like squishy tubes, and when they get scared, they can spit out their insides to escape. Flounder.
Flounder.
Flounders are flat fish that lie on the ocean floor, and both of their eyes end up on one side of their head. Nudibranch.
Nudibranch.
Nudibranches are colorful sea slugs that come in wild patterns, and some can even glow underwater. Emperor angelfish.
Emperor angelfish.
Emperor angelfish wear bright yellow and blue stripes, and young ones look so different they seem like another species. Rockfish.
Rockfish.
Rockfish can live for over 200 years, making them some of the oldest fish in the whole ocean. Butterfly fish.
Butterfly fish.
Butterfly fish are small and bright, and they often swim in pairs like best friends who never separate. Titan triggerfish.
Titan triggerfish.
Titan triggerfish can be bossy on the reef, and they use their strong teeth to crush hard shells with ease. Batfish.
Batfish.
Batfish have fins that look like little legs, so they walk awkwardly along the sea bottom instead of swimming much. Trumpet fish.
Trumpet fish.
Trumpet fish are long and skinny, and they sneak up on prey by hiding beside bigger fish like they're invisible. Halibut.
Halibut.
Halibuts start life with eyes on each side of their head, but as they grow, both eyes slide to the same side. Pipefish.
Pipefish.
Pipefish are skinny like straws, and just like sea houses, it's the daddies who carry the babies. Ghost crab.
Ghost crab.
Ghost crabs have pale shells that make them almost see-through, and they can run sideways super fast on the beach. Basking shark.
Basking shark.
Basking sharks are the second biggest fish in the world, but they only eat tiny plankton with their giant mouths wide open. Barracuda.
Barracuda.
Barracudas are long and speedy with super sharp teeth, and they can dart through the water like underwater rockets. Horseshoe crab.
Horseshoe crab.
Horseshoe crabs have blue blood that scientists use for medicine, and they've been around since before the dinosaurs. Queen angelfish.
Queen angelfish.
Queen angelfish are bright blue and yellow, and they even have a crown-shaped mark on their heads like ocean royalty. Nurse shark.
Nurse shark.
Nurse sharks rest on the seafloor during the day, and at night they suck up fish like a vacuum cleaner. Sea snake.
Sea snake.
Sea snakes can hold their breath for hours, and their tails are flat like paddles to help them swim. Spider crab.
Spider crab.
Spider crabs have super long legs that look creepy, and they cover themselves with seaweed to hide from enemies. Cuttlefish.
Cuttlefish.
Cuttlefish can change their colors and patterns instantly, and they're so smart they can solve puzzles. Sardine.
Sardine.
Sardines swim in giant groups called schools, and when they move together, it looks like a silver tornado in the sea. Cardinal fish.
Cardinal fish.
Cardinal fish are tiny but brave, and some even carry their eggs safely inside their mouths until the babies hatch. Zebra shark.
Zebra shark.
Zebra sharks have spots when they're adults, but as babies they have stripes just like a zebra. Tiger shark.
Tiger shark.
Tiger sharks eat almost anything they find, and scientists call them the garbage cans of the ocean. Gruntfish.
Gruntfish.
Gruntfish make funny grunting sounds by grinding their teeth, and the noise is even heard underwater. Needlefish.
Needlefish.
Needlefish are long and skinny like spears, and they can leap out of the water with their sharp jaws snapping. Fiddler crab.
Fiddler crab.
Fiddler crabs have one giant claw they wave around like they're playing a fiddle or showing off to friends. Stonefish.
Stonefish.
Stonefish are masters of camouflage, blending into rocks so well that they look invisible but have a venomous sting. Cleaner wrasse.
Cleaner wrasse.
Cleaner wrasse help other fish by eating tiny bugs and parasites off them, like underwater doctors. Blenny.
Blenny.
Blennies are small fish with big personalities, and some can even jump from tide pool to tide pool on land. Garden eel.
Garden eel.
Garden eels poke halfway out of the sand in big groups, swaying like a field of grass in the current. Archer fish.
Archer fish.
Archer fish can spit jets of water into the air to knock insects off branches so they can eat them. Mackerel.
Mackerel.
Mackerel are super speedy fish that swim in big groups, shimmering like flashing silver arrows underwater. Remora.
Remora.
Remoras stick to big animals like sharks and turtles using a suction pad on their heads, getting free rides everywhere. Goby.
Goby.
Goby fish are tiny and colorful, and some team up with shrimp to share a burrow and keep watch together. Piranha.
Piranha.
Piranhas have razor-sharp teeth, and when they get excited, they can snap up food in just a few seconds. Snapper.
Snapper.
Snappers have strong jaws and bright colors, and they love to hide near coral reefs before darting out for food. Bumphead parrotfish.
Bumphead parrotfish.
Bumphead parrotfish have big bumpy foreheads, and they use their teeth to crunch coral into tiny bits of sand. Coral.
Coral.
Corals look like rocks or plants, but they're actually tiny animals that build giant reefs where fish live. Clown triggerfish.
Clown triggerfish.
Clown triggerfish have spots like a polka dot dress, and they use their powerful teeth to crush crabs and sea urchins. Leafy sea dragon.
Leafy sea dragon.
Leafy sea dragons look like floating seaweed, and their leafy fins keep them perfectly hidden from predators. Spiny dogfish.
Spiny dogfish.
Spiny dogfish are small sharks with sharp spines near their fins, and they can live for more than 70 years. Porcupinefish.
Porcupinefish.
Porcupinefish puff up into a spiky ball when scared, making them look like a swimming balloon with spikes. Sturgeon.
Sturgeon.
Sturgeons are ancient fish with bony plates on their bodies, and they've been swimming in rivers and seas since dinosaur times. Scorpionfish.
Scorpionfish.
Scorpionfish blend into rocks with amazing camouflage, and their spines can deliver a painful sting. Sand dollar.
Sand dollar.
Sand dollars are flat and round like coins, and when they're alive, they're covered with tiny purple hairs that help them move. Bull shark.
Bull shark.
Bull sharks can swim in both saltwater and freshwater, and they've even been found in rivers far from the sea. Boxfish.
Boxfish.
Boxfish are shaped like little cubes, and when they swim, They look like floating boxes drifting in the water. Green sunfish.
Green sunfish.
Green sunfish are small and colorful, and they make little nests in the sand to protect their eggs. Lamprey.
Lamprey.
Lampreys are jawless fish with round, sucker mouths full of teeth, and they latch onto other fish like vampires. Salmon.
Salmon.
Salmon travel thousands of miles, swimming from the ocean back to rivers where they were born to lay eggs. Brittle star.
Brittle star.
Brittle stars have skinny arms that can break off if grabbed, and they can grow them back later. Cod.
Cod.
Cod are famous food fish, but in the ocean, they travel in huge schools and can live in very cold waters. Herring.
Herring.
Herrings swim in massive shimmering groups, and their shiny scales reflect light like underwater mirrors. Anchovy.
Anchovy.
Anchovies are tiny fish that move in big swarms, and they're super important food for bigger animals in the sea. Yellowtail snapper.
Yellowtail snapper.
Yellowtail snappers have bright yellow tails and stripes, and they dart quickly through coral reefs in groups. Filefish.
Filefish.
Filefish have rough, sandpapery skin, and they can lock a sharp spine on their heads to scare away predators. Clam.
Clam.
Clams can bury themselves deep in the sand, and some giant ones can grow as big as a suitcase. Cowrie.
Cowrie.
Cowries have shiny, polished shells that look like jewels, and people have even used them as money long ago. Sea anemone.
Sea anemone.
Sea anemones look like flowers, but they're animals with stinging tentacles that catch fish and protect clownfish. Sea sponge.
Sea sponge.
Sea sponges don't move at all, but water flows through their holes, letting them eat tiny bits of food floating by.
Thanks for diving into the world of sea animals with us today. See you again tomorrow for more ocean fun.